yan guys. That's the view. Yan siya is lagoon, papasok doon. Plus merong vanishing island sa loob. Lusot niyan yung Lake Carolina guys. So masarap maligo dito guys kasi yung wave, wala pang wave. Andun sa dulo yung waves. Sarap dito mag-visit guys. Punta kayo dito. Sobrang tahimik. Kung ayaw nyo madisturbo sa bakasyon nyo, pwede dito kasi walang signal dito guys. Meron pero mahirap. So kung emergency, okay lang. This is Villa Antonio. See? So this is where we're staying. Ito yung lugar nila guys. It's nice here guys. Tahimik, private. Hi sir, good morning. So these are the rooms, family rooms. Morning po. Then meron dito barkada room, good for 6. So, ito yung room namin. May sarili siyang CR, dalawang queen size. Tutulog ko yung kasama ko. Tsaka isang double deck. Then, aircon yun siya guys. Then, isang malaking CR na malinis. Visit here guys. Yan lang. Bye bye. Meron silang karaoke at tindahan dito guys. I'm not quite sure about sa food pero wala silang entrance dito guys. Ask natin tungkol sa room kung magkano guys. Meron siyang katabing resort. That's Languyan. Ante, magkano gani ang room? 4,500. Ilang tao yun? Oh, guys. Yun. Yung barkada room, 6,000 yun guys. Yung barkada room, that's good for 6 person. Dalawang queen size sa dalawang bunk bed. Tapos may malaking CR. Tapos yung kabilang room naman is family room is that's 4,500. May TV yun sa loob din, no? Then may sariling CR din guys. Maganda dito guys. Visit kayo. Okay, so once again, this is Villa Antonio Beach Resort. Dito po sa Barangay Bacolin. Guys, if you want to make a booking, ito po yung numbers nila.